Welcome to this beautiful video that is meant to help you manifest your divine purpose so that you can live your heart's truest desires because you're magnetic and you deserve it. As you listen, you will hear powerful affirmations meant to program your subconscious mind so that it is in the mode of receiving. These affirmations are meant to help you unlock your destiny and your ability to receive blessings with ease and flow. I want you to take a deep breath into your nose and then release it out through your mouth with a sigh sound as you exhale. Really sound those exhales, and then one more time through the nose and out through the mouth. Allow your body to get into a state of relaxation. In this moment, you are safe and sound. There is no need to stress or worry. Focus your attention on the lower half of your body. Starting at the feet, relax the toes, relax the ankles, relax the legs, relax the thighs, relax the hips, relax the lower abdomen. Relax your stomach, relax your chest, relax your shoulders, relax your arms, relax your hands, relax your throat, relax your jaw, relax your face. And relax your mind. This process does not require too much thought. It's easy. It is simple to reprogram your subconscious mind. Take one more breath. And let us begin. I am open to finding deep meaning in all experiences. I trust that my path is leading me towards meaningful fulfillment. I am open to exploring new possibilities and discovering my purpose. I release the pressure of knowing my purpose and allow it to unfold naturally. I embrace the journey of self-discovery and finding my true calling. I am open to receiving signs and guidance to discover my purpose. I am deserving of a meaningful and purposeful life. My life is filled with purposeful and meaningful connections. I am connected to a higher purpose that guides me. I trust my intuition to lead me towards my life's purpose. I have unique gifts and talents that contribute to the world. I release the need for immediate answers and embrace the journey. I am open to learning and growing as I uncover my purpose. I trust that life has a greater plan for me, unfolding step by step. I radiate purpose and inspire others to find their own meaning. I am here to make a positive impact and leave a meaningful legacy. I find meaning and purpose in every experience I encounter. I am deeply connected to the people and world around me. I attract meaningful connections that align with my purpose. My purpose is a catalyst for fostering authentic connections. I am a part of a greater web of interconnectedness, contributing to the world with my unique purpose. I am rich in opportunities to find meaning in my life. I am patient with myself as I explore and discover my purpose. I trust that my purpose will unfold at the perfect time. I release any pressure to have all the answers and embrace the process of self-discovery. I have unique gifts and talents that hold clues to my purpose. I believe that every experience is a stepping stone towards finding my purpose. I am deserving of a meaningful life even if I haven't identified my specific purpose yet. I am actively seeking and finding meaning in both ordinary and extraordinary moments. I am aligned with the universe, which guides me towards meaningful encounters and lessons. I have the capacity to create meaning and purpose in my own life and in the lives of others. I approach each day with curiosity and wonder, seeking the significance hidden within it. I am manifesting my true purpose with clarity and ease. I align my thoughts, actions, and beliefs with my purpose. I trust that the universe is conspiring to help me fulfill my life's purpose. I am a powerful creator, manifesting my purposeful and fulfilling life. Every day, I am stepping closer to living my purpose in its highest expression. I attract resources, opportunities, and connections that support my purpose. I am actively manifesting a purpose-driven and meaningful life. I am worthy of living my purpose. I release any limiting beliefs and embrace the infinite possibilities of living in alignment with my purpose. I am a magnet for synchronicities and opportunities that infuse my life with purpose. I release any resistance and allow the flow of meaning to enter my life effortlessly. My existence is infused with a divine purpose, and I manifest meaningful experiences every day. I am in alignment with my highest and greatest purpose. I am worthy of living a life rich in meaning and purpose. I trust that my journey is unfolding perfectly, guiding me towards a life of profound meaning. Every day, I discover new layers of meaning and purpose in my life. I trust in the divine plan for my life. My life becomes more infused with purpose and meaning every day. I release any doubts or fears and embrace meaningful connections and relationships. I trust that the answers will come to me at the perfect time. What's meant for me shall not pass me. I am enough. I say.